Welcome to the Bigger Brains course on the Microsoft Teams phone system. My name is Jennifer Buchholz. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and subject matter expert, and I've been working with the Microsoft products for the past 25 years. The phone system in Teams is a convenient tool, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for any business user whose organization is using the Teams phone system and who is familiar with Microsoft Teams. We'll start by navigating the calls interface in Teams and making calls. Then we'll use call management features such as call transfer, call forwarding and hold, and conference calls. Next, we'll set up voicemail and customize call settings, set up contacts and speed dial settings. We'll also discuss best practices. Finally, we'll review some troubleshooting tips on how to resolve common issues. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify and use the main features in the Microsoft Teams phone system.